Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a drone that aims to bring professional level immersive flight to absolutely anyone, the Antigravity A1-8K 360 drone. This lightweight 249 grams foldable drone is designed for adults, kids, and beginners, yet it packs features usually found in much higher tier models. If you've been looking for a drone that delivers cinematic 8K visuals, deep tracking, obstacle avoidance, and long-range control in one compact body, this might be the next device you add to your gear. The standout feature here is its 8K 360-degree camera. It captures everything around you in ultra-high detail, giving you footage you can reframe later, crop, spin, or edit into any angle. Pair that with the drone's built-in auto-edit mode, and you can generate ready-to-share cinematic clips without opening any editing software. For anyone who wants professional results without a complicated workflow, this is a huge advantage. The drone's point-to-fly motion control is another major highlight. Instead of relying solely on joysticks, you simply point the controller in the direction you want the drone to move. This makes flying feel incredibly intuitive, especially for beginners. Add deep track mode, which locks onto a moving subject and follows it intelligently, and you get stable, dynamic shots even when the subject changes speed or direction. Its 10 km max range gives you plenty of distance for exploration, and the smart obstacle avoidance sensors help prevent crashes by scanning the environment and adjusting flight paths automatically. And if the signal drops or battery gets low, auto return kicks in to bring the drone safely back to its takeoff point. Because it weighs under 250 grams, it's super portable and easy to carry anywhere. Fold it up, put it in your backpack, and you're ready for travel, hiking, or creative outdoor shoots. If you're searching for a drone that combines ease of use, long-range capability, intelligent tracking, and professional-grade imaging in one compact design, the Antigravity A1-8K 360 drone is worth a look. If you want more gadget reviews like this, make sure to subscribe. And if this drone fits what you need, go check it out and grab yours today.